Good morning, student. Class 6 Science. Our topic is states of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Molecules are consist with the help of atom. Atom is consist with electron, proton and neutron. Although molecules are very small, they possess all the properties of the matter. Matter exists as solid, liquid and gas. These are three states of matter. Properties of matter. The three states of matter can be differentiated based on their properties. First, solids. In the solid state, the molecules of the matter are closely packed. They cannot move freely. They can only vibrate. That is why solids are rigid and have a definite shape. Metals mostly cannot be compressed. However, under the influence of external force, some solids can change their shape but regain the same shape when the force is removed. Some solids can be compressed when subjected to the outside force. A solid substance also has a definite mass and volume. Here, solid are made up of closely packed molecule. An example sums given, they are solids. Liquid. Matter is in its liquid state has a definite mass and volume. It occupies the same amount of space, but it does not have any definite shape. Liquids are made up of loosely packed molecules. The molecules are free to move. That is why liquids flow and do not have definite shape. Liquids float from a higher level to lower level. When a liquid is poured in a container, it requires to the shape of the container. Liquid can be compressed to a small extent. Water, milk and oil are example of liquids. Liquid acquire the shape of the container and liquid made up of loosely packed molecule. Gases. Gas is the lightest state of matter. The molecules that make up a gas are far apart. The molecules of gas move about freely. This is why matter in its gaseous state spreads in the entire available space and it does not have a definite shape or volume. Gases can be compressed to a great extent. What happens when an increased stick is burnt? Its fragrance spread to the whole room. This is because smoke is a gas. All gases spread in the available space. Here, burning incense sticks, in Hindi agarbatti. Gases are made up of molecules which are far apart. Properties and grouping things. You have learned that every material has certain properties. Materials that possess several common properties are similar. For example, most metals are hard. They are good conductors of heat and electricity, and they sink in water. Moreover, most metals do not break easily. The process of grouping objects on the basis of their properties is called classification. The objects with similar properties are put into one group This kind of grouping helps us in many ways. For example, if we have substances that dissolve in water, we can know which substances will form solution. Thus, grouping things based on their properties is very useful. Thank you, student.